The benefit that Khan Academy brings to our school district is being able to provide a platform that provides individualized practice, study skill, the ability for students to increase their knowledge, proficiency.
The support that Khan Academy provides us is one-on-one and tailored to our district. They're extremely understanding of our scenario and what we are looking to gain from the platform.
With the Khan Academy District's partnership, we take our highly efficacious and trusted content.
The content in Khan Academy lines up so well with our course curriculum when we dig for specific subjects. It's something that is wanted, that a lot of teachers already believe in.
We've seen the data, we've seen that it works with our students. Our growth in our SAT has been proven.
And we supercharge your classroom with student to admin level reporting to give you data-driven insight into the needs of your students.
I really do like how the data was very easy, the reports were very easy, and it was easy for our teachers to be able to read those and to be able to guide their lessons as well.
Everything's a one-stop shop, so that helps a lot to speed up the process and to get them on the platform, which is where we want them to be for the learning to take place.
Whether your district is large or small, our expert team of educators are here to support your entire district. You'll get a support team committed to empowering district leaders, site leaders, coaches, and teachers, so each student can master grade level skills and address their unique learning gaps.
Khan Academy really listens to you to find out what are your professional development needs and how can we best tailor our professional development to the needs of your district.
Guidance along the way. We never felt that we were in this process alone.
It takes a lot off of me. And now we can go in, start the lessons, the teachers can go in and start looking at those skills that they need to prepare their lessons through Khan Academy. And then we're using it as part of our intervention.
If you use Khan Academy, you will see success. And that is not an anomaly for us. We saw it time and time again.
I'm Sal Khan, and I founded Khan Academy many years ago as a not-for-profit organization because I always wanted to ensure that we put impact for your learners above any notion of profit. Khan Academy is the most used platform in the country, and actually the world, to address unfinished learning. We're going to work with you to accelerate your learners at grade level and give you and your teachers the data that they need to support that learning. To learn more about how a Khan Academy District's partnership can provide your district with the personalized support you need, connect with our district's team today.